Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox the new iPhone box. So new iPhone 11. So when they announced iPhone 12, they changed the boxes for all the models, including the iPhone 11. So this one, iPhone 11, box is very small right now, like this. And doesn't say gigabyte over here anymore. And it comes with USB-C to Lightning cable. So people who are upgrading to this phone now, they'll have to buy a new wall charger as well. So we have black, green, white, purple, and red. No yellow, unfortunately. So let's unbox one of these. Okay, so let's open it. Phone. iPhone 11. So now it's already previous gen, 1-year-old phone. We have manual, very small manual, Apple stickers, SIM tool, this paper and this paper. And the cable now is Lightning to USB-C. So now in order to charge it, you'll have to have something like this. So if you're upgrading from an older phone, you'll have to buy these from them. And this isn't cheap in Apple Store. So this one USB-C now. Unless you want to use your old cable with your old wall charger, then it's gonna be fine. But this one will charge faster. Like this. So there is no earphones and no wall charger. Only cable. Now I can also compare it to the previous box. So it's about 3 times thicker. So I take 2 of this, 3 of this. Well, actually almost 2 times thicker. Before had gigabytes over here. It's smaller. The manual is definitely different. It's 3 papers instead of 4. Or actually it's 4. Yeah, still 4. Still 4, just smaller. Before it had earphones and wall charger. And a different cable. Before it was USB to Lightning. Please like and subscribe to my channel.